Welcome to Obvious page. Today let's see about Active Health App, Accenture OPD cover. OPD is nothing but outpatient department. So let's see how this application will work. So before that you have to install this application. Just go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Active Health. Now you can see the topmost application Active Health. Just install this application in your mobile. Okay, let me install this. So hopefully we aware we have inpatient department cover which is called Vidal Health, but this is for our outpatient stuff. So this application give more benefits for our outpatient cover. So I will explain in this video completely. So just log into this with your corporate account and provide your email ID, Accenture email ID. Then you will receive OTP. Just paste it here to verify that. Okay, so let me do that now. Okay, I have pasted. So once you logged in, you can see the your name and your dependent name. Just select yours and provide your mobile number. You will receive OTP. Just authenticate that as well. That's all. Now you can see some focus option. So either one you can choose. You can choose physical fitness or mental well-being or eat healthier, whatever you focusing. So just select that. I'm selecting the fitness part. So this is the home page. Here you will get some notification to sub consent. Just consent you can give yes. That's it. So here you can see lots of information, consultation, annual health, and in the bottom you can see some rewind clock on aging and some health ecosystems like calculating your food calories, BMI calculators, and you can book ambulance as well and get medicine on call. So these are all some third party application. You have to pay something, but let's see what we can utilize here for free. On the top you can see this consultation, right? Online consultation. Just click it because you can avail this online consultation for you and your dependent unlimitedly. Okay, so here you can see the consult now button and you can see different categories: general physician, dermatologist, gynecologist. There are 20 plus categories is here. So whatever is issue you have, based on that you can select the category and you can see the list of doctors who going to available in upcoming time. So this doctors list you can see is on the top. You can see green line, right? Available in 15 minutes. And you can find the doctor details, how many year of experience and what are the different language they know. So based on your language and expertise you can select any of this doctor. Okay, so here this doctor have multiple language: English, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil as well. Once you selected, it will ask for appointment information. You can just give now and proceed. After that you can see some chat window. Here you can give your issue bit detailedly. Before the doctor join, he will take a look and he will give the proper response immediately. Okay, so you can add that. And in the summary you can see finally after the call what is the thing was discussed and what is the solution he provided. If you came out, you can select the doctor detail again to see the chat window. Okay, so that's it about this consultation part. And on the top you can see my consults. So there you can see the list of history, which earlier you have done the consultation, right? So those you can find there. And there is one more option left side, annual health checkup. Okay, let's see this now. Open this. Here you can see some policy plan on the top. Just select that. Okay, so now here choose plan member. In this plan member you can choose either you or your dependent. And bottom you can see the benefits. So you can take a health checkup or diagnostics text and one more option. So out of this three you can take anything for free. Once you selected this checkup, right, you can see some provider information. You can select from this three any of one. I'm selecting skincare. So here you can again see your patient details. I mean, you or your dependent, and select, and you can see the list of package here. So based on your need, you can select the package, and you can book the appointment. Before that, just select this view balance to know your balance first, because every year we will get 5,000 rupees. So based on these rupees, you have to select the plan. If it exceeds this 5,000, then you have to pay from your money. So better you can avail below 5,000 package. That's my suggestion. Okay, so this plan will be expire on every March end. So try to utilize this 5,000 rupees within that period. And these are all some menus. Let's go for the home. Yeah, so here we have some more menu like help and support to get the support, and active days. So this part you can connect your mobile or any smartwatch to track your steps and calories. Okay, this is one more option they are providing. And here you have lots of video tutorials also for your health and benefits. And in this page in the bottom right you can see my policies, right? So by clicking that my policy, you can see the policy detail for each member. Okay, which means you and your dependent. And on the bottom you also have option for FAQ. If you have any question, you can just take a look on this. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more unique videos. Thank you. Bye bye.